Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a new cocktail and it is called the Bourbon Banana Flip. We're going to start by adding 1 egg yolk to our shaker tin. If you have a professional who knows how to crack an egg yolk.
I did my best.
Ouch. All right. So we're going to add 1/2 ounce of heavy whipping cream. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. 3/4 ounce of banana liqueur. Ooh.
Yep.
And then 1.5 ounces of bourbon. And then we are going to add ice to our shaker tin and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it is ice cold in your hand. Rawr.
Dramatic pause.
All right, we are going to double strain. Stay. Goodness gracious. Into our Nick and Nora glass.
Ooh. Is this the first egg yolk cocktail you've done?
It is.
Oh.
All right. We're going to go simple for a garnish, but I'm going to be fancy about it. And rather than just throwing nutmeg on it, I'm going to put a cardstock down and just do half of it. All right. And there we have our Bourbon Banana Flip. So pretty. It's kind of an interesting take. It's kind of egg yolky. Egg noggy.
Wow.
Having a stroke, it's fine. I've been having a stroke a lot lately.
I guess.
Should probably go get tested. Anyway, all right, I am going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. We're going to rate it. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we fall today. I get a lot of banana smell and then a hint of nutmeg, obviously. Oh yeah, that's very nice. It does. It's very much got like that eggnog kind of mouthfeel and taste to it, but you do get a lot of the banana, which I really like because I'm not a big eggnog person, but I really like banana. So for me, this is delicious. It's nice, it's smooth, it's creamy. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. I think a few of these, it's not overly sweet, but I think a few of these, I don't know if I can quite give it a 5 out of 5. I know my cameraman definitely would. He loves eggnog.
Good.
Yuck.
Very good.
Eggnog is
Delicious.
yucky. Anyway, but for
It's
me,
always the season.
it's not always the season. Anyway, 4.5 out of 5 for me.
Oh, 4.5. Oh, we're moving up.
No, didn't I say 4.5?
No, you said 4. Yep, 100%.
Oh, I'm gonna change it. I'm a woman. I can change it if I want.
Oh my gosh.
4.5 out of 5. Shush.
Anyways.
Anyways, 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out.
Speak.
4.5 out of 5. Whee! All right. Of course, I want to know what you guys think. So the ingredients are going to be listed down below. Hopefully you don't have whatever I just had. And let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Cheers.